Good morning guys, in front of me is TECNO SPARK GO from 2022 and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. So at first open your phone dialer and make sure that you're in keypad. Here we will be entering the codes. So the first one is asterisk pound 426 pound asterisk. And here we've got FCM diagnostic mode, and in this panel you can check events and status. Tap on more icon to explore it a bit more. There's actually no service right now, however you should see all details over here once you've got your SIM card included. Let me go back. Another code that I want to share with you today, it's pretty simple because it's asterisk pound 06 pound, and it allows you to check email and serial numbers. So here you've got all of them, and then tap on OK to exit. And another code that I want to share with you today is asterisk pound 225 pound asterisk. And here you've got the access to calendar info. So all calendars that you have included in your device, all the events from those calendars will be displayed here, so you can smoothly check all upcoming events. You will not be surprised then. So that's it. These are all codes that I wanted to share with you today. Enjoy, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.